Hi guys, welcome to Escape with Watch Reviews. My name is Steve and today we're doing an unboxing. This is a new release, I believe, unless someone uploads something in the next little bit. I am the first to unbox this and actually get it on camera. So yeah, I did get a little bit of a discount. This is from San Martin, but I pretty much ate up all that discount with 4-day DHL shipping. So I wanted to get this in front of the camera before the sale ended and before I took off on vacation. So this was the best way to do it. So yeah, I'm happy that it arrived early. My goodness. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. So this is the San Martin SN0103, I believe. I think that's right. This is the Speedmaster 57 or Speedy 57 homage from San Martin. So this is my first look at it. I'm kind of nervous because the press images didn't look that great. I wasn't quite sold on it. So hopefully this is a positive experience. So here we go. And there it is. Ooh, yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, that looks that looks pretty good. So typical San Martin packaging. You've got your foam. We're gonna set the watch, although I don't want to. We'll set the watch over here for just a second, just in case somebody doesn't know what they're getting in San Martin packaging. So you get your warranty card. You get there's your warranty, or there's your instructions, warranty card, and then down in the bottom here you get spring bar tool, and it looks like a little screwdriver, and then a little San Martin hang tag. So yeah, nothing there has changed recently, at least. So yeah, love this packaging. It's pretty big and bulky, but yeah. So anyway, back to the watch, and that color looks beautiful. Yeah, that looks really good. Okay, I'm gonna pause this video, take off all the plastic and stuff, and yeah, we'll get back to it. All right, here we go. So there it is, guys, and I gotta say, it looks really good. Really good. Yeah, we'll do a quick little rundown of the case finishing here. So you got brushed on the sides, brushed on the tops. Really, I mean, just super sharp chamfers that San Martin is known for. They look great. The brushing looks great. Nice signed crown there. We'll talk about the crown in just a second. But yeah, that looks really good. The tachometer bezel looks like a circular brushing on it. Give you a side profile here. Nice crystal, double domed top hat. I mean, it looks really good. Lots of distortion on the edges there. Got a really nice sunburst blue color on this thing. I think the color on this is just, for me, it's perfect. Yeah, it looks really good. The handset also looks really good. You can see the alignment on this thing is just spot on. Applied Hex logo there. Really nice. I'm going to check some of the alignment stuff on it. Actually, let's talk about the bracelet real quick. Really nice solid fitment on those links. Brushed in the middle, polished on the outsides. Not a fan of the polishing on the outsides, but yeah, I don't get that. I know they did this on the Omega, but they also had polished tops to the lugs on the Omega, so it kind of flowed a little bit better. Not a fan of that. Definitely not a fan of that. But the bracelet, I mean, look at the tolerances on the bracelet. Seem really good. Seems a little bit more jangly, I think, than normal. But I mean, I think that's just the nature of having such tight tolerances on it. Very flowy bracelet as well. Typical San Martin clasp here. 4 micro adjust. I don't think there's not an extension or anything on it. Nope. Screw pins for adjusting. Got brushed links on the sides here. Again, I mean, it all looks really good. solid stainless steel case back, no branding or anything. I know people want a see-through case back, so if San Martin is watching and listening, yeah, put a see-through case back on that. I think people will pay a little bit extra for it. But yeah, there's the watch, guys. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Yeah, it's exactly what I wanted here. I'm going to wind it up here for you because this is a manual wind. You can barely hear the movement working, winding, I mean. Nice grip on that crown. It is just a push-pull crown, thank God. Still 100 meters of water resistance, so plenty for this style of watch. Let's see here. Man, there we go. Let's check the alignment on it. Alignment looks really good. Yep, alignment looks really good. So I'll set it to the 10-10 position here. We'll start the chronograph. Ooh, nice snappy action on the top pusher there, which you expect. Yeah, I mean, this thing looks. Oh, sorry, I'm looking at it not through the camera. My bad. But yeah, this thing looks absolutely great, and yeah, looks really good. And we'll do the reset. Nice, perfect reset. Not really sure what else to say. There's a side profile picture right there. I'm going to get this sized up and throw it on the wrist for you. I'll go outside as well and put up some wrist shots at the end of this, and we'll wrap it up there. We'll have the full review sometime in mid to late July. I am on 2 weeks vacation starting the 1st, so yeah, just keep that in mind. And also stay tuned to the channel because I've got 2 more watches arriving today. 2. So yeah, stay tuned to the channel. I'll have unboxings for each one of those because they're all new releases. I didn't want to lump them all together. Yeah, this one I believe is $310 during the sale. So yeah, I think it's absolutely great. Absolutely, I mean, it's beautiful. It's exactly what I wanted. So yeah, really happy with that. I'm just noticing this now. So this does have female end links, but they don't really pivot at all. That's interesting. So they pivot here. They don't pivot. That's really interesting. So there are kind of male end links on this thing almost. Interesting. Speaking of, forgot to get the dimensions on this thing. So let's get the dimensions. So we'll try and do the case here first. Yeah, I can get the case there. So the case 38.5 right on the dot. The bezel 39.4, 39.5. The thickness 12.9 without the crystal. I'd say it's 11.9. Got a 48 millimeter lug tip to lug tip. See, with these weird female male end links, it's 52. So that's a little big. What else? Oh, lug width. 20 millimeter lug width, so that's good. Bracelet does taper a little bit. I'm guessing down to 18. Yeah, down to 18 at the clasp. So there's your dimensions. Yeah, I think it's I think it's pretty good. So I'm going to get it sized up now, and we'll be done with it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stick around to the end for some more B-roll of this thing, wrist shots, outdoor shots, that kind of stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. It's a great watch. I love it. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.